Welcome back, students. This is section 6. It is the conversation section on page 113. 113. Let's take a look at the speaking strategy. It says to ask for and give suggestions. So here are some useful phrases when you need to ask or give a suggestion. So asking for a suggestion. Say, what should I, or where should I? What do you think? When do you think? What is your opinion? Who should? What should? Where should? Or when should? So basically the 5W questions and then the word should. That's, hey, who should I talk to? Hey, you should talk to this person. What should I do? You need to do this. Where should I go? You need to go here. When should I go? You need to go on Tuesday. Why should I go? Because it's good for you. That's just an example. And then giving suggestions, you can always use I suggest or I recommend. Those are very good, very straightforward, very simple. Why don't you? And how about? So how about is kind of a more friendly way to give a suggestion, and you need to be careful how you say it, because if you say it with a kind of a sarcastic tone, it's very demeaning, and in English it will be insulting. If someone says it with a sarcastic tone, it kind of says like you're not smart enough to know this, so I'm going to tell you. So be careful how you say it. So why don't you, and how about? And try to say it with like a friendly face. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but in a friendly manner. So now we're going to listen to this audio. And so listen to the audio, and you'll use parts of these questions and answers to complete these blanks.
Conversation. Activity A. Listen and complete the sentences using phrases from the speaking strategy box.
Hey, Logan, what's up?
Hey, Lily. Could you take a look at this? I'm planning an event to raise money for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. What do you think I should do?
That's wonderful. Why don't you organize a walk or a benefit concert?
That's a great idea. Where should I have it?
How about North Park? It's really big.
What do you think about having a concert at the finish line?
That would be really fun.
When do you think is a good time for an event like this?
I recommend doing it in June. The weather will be great.
Do you have any other ideas?
All right, so there you go. I'm not going to give you the answers for this one. I want you to listen. Listen as many times as you need to. They speak kind of fast, and there's a lot to write down. So just listen as many times as you need to. Get the first one. Listen again. Get the second one. Listen again. Get the third one. There's nothing wrong with that. And then after you finish, practice reading this out loud to yourself, both parts, Lily and Logan, and just practice your speaking. Remember, the time you spend practicing outside of class is how you get better at English. So there you go. That is it for the conversation section. Have a great day.